Okay, we've never made a video. Well, we've never made a video in here except for vlogs, so we're gonna hope that this turns out well. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. It's been quite a while, I know. I haven't really been able to get any of my subscription boxes, except for recently. So, I've came across some help, and so now I will be able to make at least 2 videos a month when it comes to unboxing. Now this one I don't think I've made this one or uploaded this. I don't think I've uploaded this one onto my unboxing channel. Charlie, come here. Charlie, come on. I don't stay. Sit. 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 No. Sit. Charlie, sit. Good. So I don't think I've uploaded this one onto my channel yet. I know I wanted to make some upload what I've had uploaded before, but I never did. So, and we'll see. Yeah, so this one's gonna be, it's like new to my channel, at least my unboxing channel, but it's not new to anything else. So this is the box that they sent me, and I'm hoping that it's not a scam. If it is well, I'm hoping that I didn't get scammed by the sender. So it's BarkBox. Okay, so it is BarkBox, and whoever has seen BarkBox videos or open BarkBox, they usually send it in an actual box that says BarkBox, and it's not a cube box. It's more of a flatter rectangular box. So I'm hoping that I didn't get scammed, or maybe they just ran out of their regular boxes. But I do have Charlie here, which he's the guest of honor for this video because there should be treats and toys for him. So let's go ahead and open it. He's already curious about it. Oh, okay. So I wonder why they didn't send it in a regular box. But this is the box. And it's all squished in here, so I'm hoping maybe they just ran out of their regular boxes, because normally they have a box that they send it in. But this theme is, for this month, it's Sunny Spot Garden, and I started the subscription again in March, which is this month, so this is their March 2025 BarkBox. And like I said, the theme is Sunny Spot Garden, and then I'll just go ahead and kind of show this. And I guess the other theme, so Sunny Spot Garden and Hanging with My Nomies. That's cute. So, and every BarkBox we get 2 bags of treats. So these are the treats that we're getting today. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for BarkBox. So this month, Charlie got some Baba Jerky bars and Fuddy Nutties, which are some crunchy treats. You want to try one? Okay, but get up here. Come here. Charlie, up, up. No. Up, up. No. Come here. Come here. Get up. No. Come on. Sit. Sit. Good. Stay. I have scissors. I have scissors that I can use. Okay. Baba Jerky bars? No, give me a shake. Give me another shake. Shake this paw. Try it. There you go. Oh, bye, Charlie. Okay, so the first bag of treats were Baba Jerky bars, and it's a lamb recipe. Do you like those ones? Were those ones yummy? Yeah? Okay, let's try these ones now. Okay, sit. I'll give you 2. Sit. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Can you touch? Good boy. Try these ones. Give you one more. So this next recipe are Fuddy Nutty's Crunchy Treats. They're naturally nutty, packed with energy and a little nutty, just like some dogs we know. When your dog needs to munch, these yummy treats got that crunch. Because your little honey deserves a little honey. They're made with honey. Okay, so now that we've got the treats out of the way and we had him try the treats, which he liked them both, let's go ahead and look at the toys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, so this first toy, you can actually hide a treat in it. And this toy is called Hannah the Hippie Hopper. This is, let's see the squeak. So yeah, this first toy is called Hannah the Hippie Hopper. It is a multi-part toy. There are 2 parts to it. So it's this part and then Hannah. And there's a treat trap, a crazy crinkle, and it has a squeaker. You wanna go get it? Go get it. So you can hide the treat in here with the toy, and it's a good, it's just good for their brains. And then the second toy is Daisy May. So this here is Daisy May. And oh, it's a, okay, so this is a tug strap right here. So here. So we could play tug of war with it. Take it. So we could play tug of war with it. There's a crazy crinkle and a squeaker, a whip and flip leaf. Go get it. I love him. And then the last thing that we got in our box is a veggie nom stick sweet potato recipe chew for dogs. This is just a chew that I'll add to his chew jar, his collection of chews. Anyways, so that is everything that we got in today's box, huh, Charlie? Huh, Charlie? Huh, Charlie? He's crazy. He's crazy, and I love him. I love that he's crazy. Yeah, that is everything that we got in today's box. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and if you like dogs, and if you like Charlie. Charlie's the main focus of this video. He's the main character. I'm just the one talking for him. And then go ahead and subscribe. I cannot talk. I've been like very tongue twisted and tongue tied lately. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe down below for more unboxing videos. I will be posting BarkBox videos once a month. They usually upload on Thursdays. I might change that day, I don't know. And then yeah, so and then stay tuned because there's gonna be one more box that I'll be posting, and you'll see whenever I post that. That'll come out once a month too. So there'll be 2 videos going out once a month on my unboxing channel, which I'm super excited for because I've missed unboxing for my audience and those who watch my videos. I've missed it. It's fun unboxing things, and I hope you stick around. So yeah, like this video if you like Charlie and you want more dog content. Subscribe down below and leave a comment what you think of BarkBox, and if you have dogs, if you have any subscription boxes for them. And yeah, bye everyone.